Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to set up action trigger. After login you can see your Zabbix dashboard, then going to alert action trigger action, and first time this is status disabled, so now you can enable. This is Zabbix administration via all media. My previous tutorial already set up media type and email setup and testing working fine. Now I am again checking is media type is working or not. I'm going to trigger action. I'm checking mail. Yes, mail is coming. Zabbix text message from my server. Sender and receiver same address. So click here to report problem to Zabbix administration. Condition. You can add condition and set trigger and then search triggers. Click select, and now I am checking Zabbix. Service agent is not available and must be check which severity. You can select severity, that means high. This is high, average information, and select this is add and then update. Okay, just minute. Operation. Going to operations tab. Operations tab, you can select send message. First time you can see this is no any here information as like here. Now you can add operations, recovery operations, update operations, pause operations. So at least one operations you can select. Send to user groups. Must be set Zabbix administrator, send user, Zabbix admin, and send to all. This is my email setup. You can set up here custom message from here, subject, email subject, and body message. So now not needed this, and this is added. And recovery mail action. Recovery, you can send message and select group. Group must be Zabbix administrators, and select user, Zabbix admin user, and then select Gmail custom message, not checking. Add update operation. Update operation as like same, send message, select Zabbix administrator, select admin user, and set Gmail. Add. You can check mark or uncheck. At least one operation must be exit. Must be one operation. You can add more operation from here. Then click update, and then going to users profile and media, Zabbix administrator user media, and then add. This is Gmail and send to. This is send to is when your server is down or any problem, then send to this mail from your media type. And severity use if is not classified information, warning, average, disaster. So I am mark only high severity. When true, then notify to my email address, then added. Front end notification, you can check from front end notification, otherwise uncheck this notification. One media type select, then update. Now I am going to my Zabbix server. Now I am connect from my terminal Zabbix server and Zabbix agent. Zabbix agent stop. Agent stop. I am checking log file var log Zabbix server log, system uptime, I am going to monitoring host. Zabbix agent is available, green mark. Now I am see this is problem, cannot established TCP connection from this connection refused, because I am stop Zabbix agent. I see temporary disabling Zabbix agent, check host at the interface unreachable. Now I am checking email address from notify. I am going to problem. This is problem and duration. Report action log. This is my action log. Yes, I see my host trigger, second page, and severity. This is values problem, and I am going to email notification problem. Zabbix agent is not available for 3 minutes. Zabbix server severity high. Operational data not available. Operation problem ID 42, and now I am checking action log. This is action log. Report problem to Zabbix Gmail administrator, recipient admin Zabbix administrator email address, subject Zabbix is not available for 3 minutes. This is status is sent. This is yes, successfully checking Zabbix trigger option as like one service like Zabbix agent. You can check Zabbix trigger from your trigger, from many trigger from your host, every host. This is total is 82 trigger. You can select your want as like your disk is full or 90% or RAM is full or 50% used, as you want. Now I am set Zabbix agent status start, and then I check log file, and I checking only high severity. This is when his problem is okay status, then I am get email notification is my server agent is okay. Yes, I see value is okay, and I am checking report from and action log. Action log is recovery. This is report problem is Zabbix is resolved status. I am going to my email. Yes, this is second email, 9:30 p.m. This is problem has been resolved at this time. Zabbix agent is not available. This is problem name and problem duration. This is problem duration is 3 minutes 0 second. That means 9:32 and 9:35. That means problem duration is 3 minutes. This is latest feature from Zabbix latest version. My Zabbix version is 7.06. Zabbix agent interface on host Zabbix. This is my enabling Zabbix agent check. This is log file from Zabbix server. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.